In the name of great Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most gracious. Assalamu alaikum, my dear listener. You know that today is the teacher day. I would like to discuss something in the front of you people. Good teacher build good knowledge, and great teacher build good character. Sending you my heartfelt wishes and thanks, teacher day.
I like a teacher who gives you something to take home to think about besides homework.
Whenever you find something extraordinary, you will find the fingerprints of a great teacher.
Wishing all my teacher happy teacher day. On this special day, I would like to thank all the effort that you have put into make me a better person.
A teacher is like a candle who spend whole life in giving light to many students.
Without you, I would have been lost. Thanks, my dear teachers, for guiding and inspiring me. Happy Teachers Day.
Teachers are the most inspiring source for students. Salam Teachers Day.
Teaching is the profession that teaches all the other professions. Salam Teacher Day.
रहबार भी है हमदाम भी है हमहार हमारे है रहबार भी है हमदाम भी है हमहार हमारे है उस्ताद ये कोमंग के है और मेमार हमारे है